Hey everyone, got a pony today. We're back with another Poshmark Consignment bag. This is bag number 5. But if you watched my last video, the last one I did not list. It's still in my house. Poshmark asked me when the best day and time would be to pick it up, I guess, and deliver it back to them. I assume the same way. I told them whenever. I just wanted it out of my house, and I haven't heard from them yet, so crossing my fingers it'll be soon. I kind of peeked in this one and low-key smelled it because I was nervous from the last time. We got some good stuff in here. Starting out a little rough is Ultra Flirt, but it's actually a really cute skirt. I would totally wear that. This girl was like, I think she was kind of like a baddie, you know? That's kind of the vibes I get. Like this cute, I don't really know what the brand is. Fresh Laundry. I know I've heard of that before, but I don't know. But like, it's super, super cute. We have this cute torrid piece. I have another graphic hoodie, this on the front. I can't read what the tag is, but maybe Google Lens will pop something up in this graphic on the back. And this is a hoodie from the brand Dream. It says that on front. And then on the back is another graphic. And we got kind of this, I don't know if it's vintage or not. It's on a Russell tag. I don't know, I'll have to look up if that's actually vintage or not, but cute Davidson. I'm not good with schools, so I don't know if this is a school or is it trying to play off of Harley Davidson. I don't know. Probably a school or something, I assume. We got another hoodie moment. This is from Civil Regime. I've never heard of this brand, but it feels really nice, and it has this cute embroidery, floral, tie-dye print. But yeah, the embroidery's right down the sleeves, both of them. It's super cute, all over tie-dye. And then we have a Vans hoodie. Cute. This girl loved hoodies. I love that. Ooh. We have a cute little strapless Akira dress, new with tags. So like, I would pick that up at the bins and I would take it to Plato's Closet and they give me like $4 or $5, but like in bins money and girl math, you know, that it makes sense for me to make only like $3 or $4, you know. But with this being Poshmark Consignment, I'm not really sure how it'll go selling Akira. I know I've sold a couple pieces before, but they were not, oh no, I did sell, you know what? I sold one dress. It was this really cute money dress. I'll put it over here if I find it. It sold pretty well, I think, like $40, $50, $60, I don't know. Can't remember, on Mercari actually. So this one's just kind of plain, so we'll see how it goes, but plain is good, you know. And we have this cute Akira crop top. Tailor dress. Derek Hart shirt. Falls Creek. I think we're getting more into like some basics, I guess. Ultra Flirt jacket. There's another Akira. I believe this to be a dress as well. Like a shirt dress. It's very cute with these, like, oh, yeah. Look at that dramatic puff sleeve. And it's like meshy material. That's cute. Here we have some Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. See, like, sometimes I do pick these up at the bins. Depends on what kind of day it is. If it's a slow day, then I'll pick them up if they're new with tags. And honestly, they sell not that bad on eBay. But this is Poshmark only, so some more Gloria Vanderbilt. So I can't cross-post to eBay, which sucks, but it is what it is. As You Wish dress. Another Dream hoodie. Hotmon top, crop top. Another Hotmon crop top, and they're like the same style and the same size, so I'm gonna lot them together. Ophelia Rose dress. H&M sweater. And lastly, we have a Yoki, pretty sure this is a pleather jacket. Let me double check. Why I can't just tell, I don't know. No, I'm not finding the care tag. Wait. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, pleather. That's cute. Alright, so I mean, are these the most resellable in the sense for my business? No. But are they cute and pretty much trendy items? Yes. So, I don't know. I keep signing up each week for 4 bags, and I'm usually ending up getting 1 bag per week, but a lot of the stuff is selling that I didn't think would sell that quickly or at all. So it's working, I suppose. So far, I think I've only made roughly $70 between 3 consignment bags. This is my 5th one, but the 4th one was a bust, so I never listed that. So, I mean, did I put in more than an hour of work? Yes. 2 hours? Probably around 2.5. So, I don't know, 2 hours is $30 an hour. I'm okay with that. So then another half, like 22, 25 on just most of the stuff that's sold. So I still have a lot that needs to sell from them. And if they don't, then, you know, I made $25 an hour. The only cost is now to store the item and do whatever Poshmark asked me to do at the end of the consignment period. So I mean, it's really up to you if you have the space, the mental capacity, the patience, and the will to kind of just list whatever you get. then go for it, you know?